good people, listen to me very carefully. I just found the perfect 2-bedroom apartment for family. Are we together? Now, why am I saying this? All right, come here. All right, check this out. Sasa, this is a 2-bedroom apartment with a large lounge. All right, very large lounge, meaning here you can slot a 6-seater or even up to a 7-seater. And just beside it, you can slot your dining table. Okay, is that not family wants? Right? Large space for relaxation, somewhere, to have their meals from, isn't it? Why am I saying it's ideal for family again? Look at the kitchen here, all right? Very spacious, large kitchen, all right? Plenty of storage, just say below and above, plenty of storage. Because again, a family, it has, they buy a lot of food, there's a lot of stuff, to store here and there. And that is why you have all this. Look at the cabinetry. And then the countertop space, for preparation, for food preparation. Maybe you have visitors coming over, your kids' visitors, your friends. You have just enough countertop space to prepare chapatis, cut mboga on that side. That's why I said this one is for family. Number 3, all right? Family, you have tons of clothes, to be washed, you get it? All right? So this is where this room comes in. All right? You see this room? This is a laundry room. And again, it is quite spacious. All right? Now, moving on, you have a common washroom here, all right? By the way, this 2-bedroom is a master ensuite. Ensuite. Hey, ensuite, all right? So, this is the common washroom, okay? Now, then here is the guest bedroom, all right? Call it the kids' bedroom. All right, like I've said, this one is for family, so this is the kids' bedroom. From the look of things, 2 beds can fit here. All right, 2 beds. So whether it is a double decker, or the normal bed, 2 of them can slot in here comfortably. Apart from that, just see the amount of space, all right, provided by the wardrobes there. You get it? All right. So 3 kids, living inside here, 2 kids. They surely have enough space to keep their clothes, their books, and whatever. Si ndio hivyo? Then over to the master bedroom. Look at, hey, wow. The guys here were really generous on space. All right, they were really generous. And when I looked at this 2-bedroom at first sight, I thought in my mind, okay, this one is the perfect thing for a family. So the master bedroom, super spacious again. All right, a 5x6, a 6x6 rather, no problem, fitting in here. And of course, leaving again more space for maneuvering. And right here is your washroom. All right, for this master bedroom. Si ndio hivyo? Surely. Wadau, my good people, fans, what else could you ask for when you have a large family? Or even a small one? This is the perfect family 2-bedroom apartment. All right? Everywhere is just spacious. And then the addition of that laundry room is what cut it for me. All right, now let me just give you some shots of the surrounding. this the apartment on the outside, it doesn't really, it doesn't give a first good impression until you get inside. That is when things get things get juicy. All right, but on the outside, it looks like, now what is this? This is one home which you will hate to love. All right, because at first sight you're like, now what is this? But inside, you look at the organization, Nini. This one is truly lovely. All right, now, do you agree with me? This is the perfect 2-bedroom apartment for family. Drop your comments, all right, in the comment section. And if you want to come here, if you want to book this 2-bedroom apartment, we have just 3 of them. So the rest of this apartment, the rest of this flat has got 1 bedrooms, but 3 bedrooms, they are only on 1 floor is where we have the 2 bedrooms. Sorry, 2 bedrooms only on 1 floor, but the rest of the flat is 1 bedroom. And even the 1 bedrooms here, they are very spacious. Again, can I give you just a gist? Can I a sneak peek of the 1 bedrooms? All right, fine, let's go. Okay, so I am inside the 1 bedroom. Right from the door, just look again at that lounge. All right, sitting room, living room, depending on where you come from. All right, a 5-seater, an L-shape upper, a 5-seater L-shape, and of course leaving even some small room kwa corner pale, to slot a dining table. If you have a 6-seater, then maybe you will have to use a coffee table maybe. All right, because I'm assuming again you will have to leave some room to put your TV. I don't know if you have a TV stand, or maybe you will put your TV you'll mount your TV on the wall, whichever. But look at the lights, all right? Aren't they lovely? You have wall lamps, and then you have these, top light here, all right? The light on the ceiling, all right? No need to bring yours; it's already done for you, all right? Now, when you move on, you cut this corner, and that is the washroom, right? Isn't it spacious? Here, I mean, if you're coming in to shower, man, no squeezing, all right? No squeezing here. Then you get out, there's a sink there. Of course, every time you come out of the toilet, wash your hands, namna hiyo. And then on that side is where you have the kitchen. This is a kitchen in a 1-bedroom apartment. Folks, let me just be honest. I have done many of these house tours, and I have seen some 2 bedrooms that can't even match this 1 bedroom. All right, look at the cabinetry, all right, inside this 1 bedroom, all right, and the space and the organization. I mean, everything is just on point here, all right. Here you come out, all right, and you have this balcony, large balcony, all right, very spacious, all right. You can just come out here and watch the cars down there. This apartment is actually next to a road, so again, if you want to live, a place where unaingia kwa nyumba, like you won't be late, to catch up, to catch a matatu, or even in the evening unashukisha unaingia kwa nyumba haraka haraka. I think this is the right spot. Moving inside. And here we are. This is the bedroom. You look at the bedroom. Are you seeing the space here? This bedroom will comfortably take a 6x6 in any plan that you want, all right? In any layout that you want to put your bed, this bedroom will comfortably take a 6x6 bed and still leave room for maneuvering. And of course, the shelves there, they have, again, enough storage. For somebody living in a 1-bedroom, that is really plenty of storage. Okay, up to that point, I have done my job. Remember, when it comes to house hunting in Nakuru, EZRA ONDARA is the way, the truth, and the only way. You know, like there is no other way. Nobody gets a good house in Nakuru except by me. That's just how it is. Okay, my number is on the screen. Reach me out. And serious inquiries only, tafadhali. So many people reach out to me. I have messages from TikTok, 100 messages from TikTok, 20 messages on WhatsApp. Well, anyway, keep messaging, but especially if you're serious, engage me. All right, engage me. All right. So up to that point, see you in the next one. I'll be bringing you more house tours from Nakuru, and don't forget, I am the way, the truth, and the only way.